Good day to you, my trading friends. It is Tuesday, September 14th, 2021. We got the SPYs for today, and it's a different strategy in the sense that we haven't done this, or I haven't done this on camera since April 22nd. Goes to show you how infrequently, at least on this channel, that we make use of the short call vertical strategy. But let's do our trade overview and get right into it, shall we? SPY, of course, is super liquid with a liquidity rank of 4 out of 4. We're going to be in the weeklies, which will reduce that liquidity, but we do have an IV rank of 24, and I guess that's a little bit high because of some recent drops. So we're going to get short some premium, which remember, compared to a lot of the long debit spreads that we do, this is going to have, yes, greater risk, but of course, the reward is better probabilities. So if you're interested, let's get going. Hi everybody, my name is Neil, and this is Option Theory. I'm now small and in the bottom left corner, and you can see that we're in Thinkorswim and using the simulated trading. So we get all the learning without any of the risk, so that when you're ready to risk your real dollars, you'll know how you can, handle all this, how you'll perform. At least you'll have an idea. All right, hope you join us. Stick around to the end, and that helps me a lot. Thank you so much. All right, moving on. Let's go to the charts, take a quick look. I haven't pre-built this trade like I normally do. Let's go ahead and do it together. So we can see here that this down move, and I like that down move. I'd like to hit this bottom band a little more because once again, just about every time it hits that bottom band, everybody gets optimistic again. The bulls get back in. We haven't hit that bottom band yet, but maybe we're on our way, and maybe that's a good sign. I forgot, we're actually not bullish, we're bearish. So yeah, let's keep on going to that bottom band. But we'll take a look and we'll get our probabilities and we'll see what's going to happen on this chart. We'll set our slice to charts so we can see where our risk begins. All right, let's go to add simulated trade. So used to being bullish on things these days. All right, we're gonna go down to the October and 22nd weeklies with 38 days to expiration. Let's go ahead down to the call side to the 455, which is the 32 delta. We're going to click the bid here to go ahead and sell that 455. Then we're going to go $3 wide. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3 to 458. We're going to hold down the control key and click on the ask to buy the 458. That protects us and defines our risk. Let's take a look at the credit we're going to receive here, $1.09, right? That is nice because it hits that tasty trade mechanic of one third the width, right? All we needed to collect was $100 on a $3 wide to make 1/3 the risk width, right? Okay, so there it is. One contract, yours may be 10, depending on whether or not you've changed your defaults. We did a video on that. I'll give you a hint. It's use this gear. That should help you find it. If not, go ahead and check out that video where we cover the market, the order defaults. Let's go to the risk profile and check out our probabilities at expiration. To get that, let's take a look at the date in the bottom left corner in blue and set the date in the top right corner to match that. October 23rd. We can see our expected move does not fit on the screen, so I'm going to scrunch it down a smidge. I like to see it where it's not so cluttered in the numbers. And then I'm going to set my price slice to break even by clicking here. You won't see it, I apologize. But I'm going to go to, I'll talk you through it. You then go to set slices, you go to break even, and you choose that blue date. That moves this gold price slice to where the blue line crosses the x-axis of 0 here. And we're looking at a 64% probability of profit at expiration according to Thinkorswim. But let's check that and compare that to the same trade built in Tastyworks. And we're looking at a 64% probability of profit. The additional metric that we get here from Tastyworks is a P50, the probability that we'll be able to take half this credit and leave in 50 days, no, not 50 days. That's 50% on the max in the next 38 days. The chance of that happening is 79% probability. That's pretty good. So let's go back to Thinkorswim and go ahead and I'm going to click this one again. I'm going to talk you through it. I know you can't see it, sorry. Go to set slices to chart and click the top left box. What that does is gives us the red line on our chart and says, hey, if SPYs hits this, right, that's where we hit our break even at expiration. Okay, of course, at any point, if we start moving like this today, going back up, then we're going to feel some pain right away. But that's our break even at expiration. Speaking of pain, let's take a quick look at the market, and it does look like the S&Ps are up 0.1%. All right. So the market seems to be recovering. I guess the bulls are thinking about jumping back in. The rest of the team green does seem to be winning. The biggest winner is apparently crude oil, crude light, and our biggest loser here is silver. All right. That's it for this trade. So let's go ahead back, right click this trade, choose confirm and send. Let me click this button here. Here's the confirm and send screen. Sorry, it's a little small, but that's just how this works. And then, yeah, so we're going to put this in our margin account, max profit of 109, max loss of 191. That's how much you're leaving on the table. And should spies move against us. I'm okay with that. If you're okay with that, I'm going to go ahead and hit send. It puts that in our working orders here. And you can see all my dirty laundry here. These are the trades that we currently have on in the margin account. This is our overall profit for year to date. And then let's switch over to the IRA account, see how we're doing here. The positions we have in the IRA account, the P&L year to date here, right? I'm not claiming to be some magician. I want you to see everything that we've got here. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and click that so you can see that better. All right. Cool. You made it to the end of this video. Big thumbs up to you. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, there is that button down there. There's also that like button if you feel I've earned that thumbs up. Appreciate all your views, your likes, and your shares. So if you share this with people that you think would also find this interesting, that's a super big help. All right. Until I see you in maybe tomorrow's video, huh? All right. May the market be with you.